Hi, we're going to find out the prime factors for the given numbers 140, 156, 3825 on all these numbers. So first we take the number 140. You can see the number ending with 0. So you can decide that the number 140 is divisible by 2, isn't it? So it is an even number. We can see that it is an even number. You can either divide by 2 or 5. So to make it a simple prime, if we start with 2, we can divide by 2. So we are going to follow the prime factor, that is the factor tree method. We are going to follow the factor tree method to find out all the prime factors. So 2 into 70 is 140, isn't it? Again, 70 can be further divided by 2. So when you divide by 2, it gets 35. And the last number is ending with 5. So it can be divisible by 5 again. So 7 5s are 35. So these are all the factors, and the factors can be written as that is equal to, you have two 2's here, 1 and 2, so you can club it as 2 square into 5 into 7. Okay. So the next question is 156. The same method we are going to follow it now. So 156 is an even number. The same way we can first start by dividing with 2. So 278 are 156. Again it's an even number, so again divide by 2 gives 39. And 39 is a multiple of 3, so we divide by 3, we get 13. Where 13 is a prime factor, so we can write the prime factors of 156 as 156 is equal to, we have two 2's here, 1 and 2, so you can write it as 2 square into 3 into 13. So these are the factors of 156. Now we're going to divide the number 3825 and find out the prime factors. We can see that the last number is ending with 5, so it can be definitely divisible by 5, so I start with dividing 5. So 5 into 765 will give you 3825, so I divide by 5. Again you can see the number ending with 5, so you can just start dividing by 5 again. So when you divide, you get, so 153. You can divide this simply, we can work out on the right side. So when you divide 765 by 5, you get the factor 153, and you can see that 153, you can see 1 plus 5 plus 3 gives us 9. So 9 is a factor of 3, so we can identify that 153 is divisible by 3. So I just divide by 3 now. We get 351s are 153. And 51, 5 plus 1 is 6, so we can identify that it is also divisible by 3. So again we divide by 3, we get 17 times. And finally we can write the factors of 3825. That is equal to, you can see the how many 3's are there. You can see there are 1, 2, so you can write as 3 square. And how many 5's we can count it? 1, 2, so 5 square. And 17 is left out. We will finish it with 17. The same way we are going to find out the factors of 5005. You can see the last digit is ending with 5, so I divide by 5. We get 1001. So for 1001, how to identify which number is a multiple of 101? You can see that the first number and the last number are same, so we can identify that this is a number which is divisible by 11. This is a number which is divisible by 11. So when I check dividing by 11, we get 91. So definitely this is a number which is divisible by 11. So we can divide by 11 and we will get the factor that is a multiple of 91. And 91, see the number ending with 1 is always divisible by 7. So we take 7 here and we get 7 13s are 91. You can see that 7 13s are 91. These are the factors of 5005. So it can be written as 5005 is equal to, we'll arrange in order. First one, we have only one 5 here, so we'll write it as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. That's all. So we have one more number that we will do the same method. Okay, how to find out the multiples of 7429 is a big number. We can see that the last number ending with 9, we can identify that the multiples of 7 have the number ending with 9, isn't it? We can see that 7 into 7 gives us 49. So in the multiples of 7, you can see that the number is divisible. You can see the number ending with 9. So we try this number dividing with 7. 7429. When we divide with 7, you can see that, so this is one time, and 4 cannot be divisible, so I put 0 here. So 7 6 are 42, and 7 1s are 7. We get the remainder 2. It means it is not exactly divisible by 7. So we try to go for 17, and we check with 17 here. We can identify that 17 is divisible. So 7429 is divisible by 17, and we get the factor 437. We get the factor 437. And when the number is ending with 7, we can identify that it is divisible by 3 or 9. So we try with 9, which is not possible, and we try to get with 19. So when we divide by 19, we get 23 as a factor. So 19 into 23 is 437. So you got all these factors. The factors of 7,429 are 17 into 19 into 23. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you for sharing the time with us. Thank you.